Lily, look. It's raining. Let's go get some soup. It's raining. So, this is a perfect time to eat soup. And plus, Janet is craving for his soup. So, we gotta go get some stuff for her to make the soup. Stay tuned. Oh, I like their cilantro. It's fresh and very, very clean. That's very important, guys. You need to get the fresh and really good clean cilantro. So that's what you need. Of course, we need lime. So, not this one, but this one. That's all you need? So here. So, lime. Right. The next thing you need is basil leaf. Or, I don't know what it's called, but it's this stuff right here. So, yeah. We need this guy too. Green onions. Always a must. No, just kidding. Onion rings. I mean, green onion. And of course, we need the noodles. Wait, one more. You need tofu. Throw that baby in. Special note, you need this too. The bean sprouts, but you don't need it. It's just gonna make your noodles cold. But it's your preference. You can also eat that bean sprouts. And you got lots of them here. Now, lots of these are really good for the soup, but they're too expensive. So you just gotta go light. Simple. Oh man. So it's really good if you get the really fresh one, not the frozen one. But because we're from Chuukese, we gotta go with the frozen one. A lot more affordable and cheaper. The first meat will be the brisket, the really thin sliced ones.
Let me see if that's really thin.
You gotta get the really thin one, thin sliced. So, to make your broth, you need the beef bone. You can either use chicken bones, pork, but preferably you gotta get the beef. Beef makes a really good broth. So, you don't really need to go crazy about this. We'll just go with the really cheap one. So, 408. And then, eat some fish cakes. So, we gotta eat this and this fish balls and fish cakes. Oh, this one looks good too. This is making me sick. These things are so expensive, but we need them. So, shrimp, of course, you need it. We're done getting the stuff, so let's go home. Let's go cook it up so we can eat some pho. All right. See you guys in a bit. Cook the bones. Drop it like it's hot.
Austin!
I'm gonna cook the whole thing because it's not gonna stay forever. So what's up, girl? So what are you doing since you're prepping for the meat?
Meatballs for fuck.
Alright, so that's the broth. You need the base for it. Right here. You need the base for it. This is two. Spot right here. This one. So break this. Okay. If I can get this thing open. Just wait. This is pretty much just the spice. Drop one back. paper one. And this is when you start to put the soup base. Oh! Don't worry. I don't measure. I just do it by taste. Okay, give it a little swim. Mix it up with a bit of this. Okay. Drop it. And then, can you like make some space, some room for me so I can get my stuff? So we got some cinnamon sticks. Drop that in. Oh, sorry, Jenna, you missed the. Can you make some room, please?
What did you call this?
Star anise or?
Pero benengang yun, binalabat lagi. Okay.
Fish sauce. Okay. And give it a little swim. You're a bad videographer.
Uy, supaya mo din sa pagtulong mo, nilasok ko po.
Why?
Bigyan.
Okay. Alright, so. That's why it's way too zoomed. Alright. Then this is when you put them a little bit medium low. Alright. You're very.
So you pull it up or roll it?
This is the chief cook, chef. You're very meticulous about your
Goodness.
your placement of the fish cake. You do it like a. You do it like a Japanese. Wait, let me see. Wait. Oh, yes, that's right. Japanese.
Later.
This is cilantro. This is cilantro. Onion, green onion, mushroom, cilantro, lime. Jenny's TV.
Our manager is
It's always good to have helpers in the kitchen. Goodbye. All you gotta do is just cook the meat.
What meat?
That meat.
This is lime, onion, green onion, garlic,
Okay.
cilantro,
Where's
mushroom.
where is the? Give me all the bones. On the bones.
This is
Give me the scissors. I need all my assistants, my nurse, or my medical assistant.
and this is
I need some
and this is
scissors
meatballs.
And I need some
Fish
screwdrivers.
cake. Meatballs. Fish cake.
Because the operation is about to go down.
Fish cake. Fish cake.
Okay. No,
Wait,
wait.
someone touch this.
I gotta...
I used to
Take
cut
this.
this.
Where's the scissors?
Okay, wait. Careful, no, wait, take a picture. Yes. Look at it.
Now we take a handful. Cut them up. Okay. And drop it in here. Let it swim. Wait, where's the bone? Where's the bowl? This only takes a few seconds. Okay.
Yeah. You want shrimp?
That's one bowl for one patient. So why are you laughing at the doctor?
Because
Huh?
that's the first picture.
That's the first patient right there. Yes.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay. Drop it, let it swim for a little bit.
This one. Wow.
Yeah.
Where is it? That's so good.
Oh, that's. We need a little bit more on that.
It's good.
What are you guys eating?
They're just talking to you. Hey, don't eat it.
What? Up there to the wood. Mira, se pone así.
Don't touch.
Another patient.
Another patient.
Gracias. Okay, call the boys and call the boys and bring them.
Yeah. Oh, that's really small. Let's test it.
What's wrong with your meat?
Hey, keep what you guys. Because I know you guys eat a lot. So the doctor has to provide more. Why? They don't eat sugar? Okay. Harry, check the other key. What?
Choose your ingredients.
All the way from Dallas. We have garlic. Give me garlic. Ibang ikan just from Attribution. All the way from Dallas. So that's Dallas. What time is 7 in here? What's Dallas? No, okay, all the way from Dallas. From Seattle. Number one. Beauty without seven Linwood. Linwood. Give me, this is what would be Ian.
With Chuukese man. Very cause
Oh, it's that thing. And go good. Take it out of fork. Mira cómo se cocina. Tayo paniwagi. Ay po. Kasi kira po atis po din dira to.
fish cake.
Dira meatball. Dira siya. Uy, dahil ka ba? Uy, kira po. Kasi ko ka.
Mama, I'll be exported. Yeah.
Meatball.
And then, oyster sauce. Yeah. And you can put the oyster here.
Sriracha.
Uri, yeah, I put the gun. Can I have one? Can I get one? Let's race. Do you want one? No? I see the card.
You need your you pick your ingredients and then
No.
Okay, I will stay.
Spank Mars.
Era feito. Ready.
For the first patient.
Happy out.
You know what's in it? Okay. Let's see.
should do a mukbang. 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 I do mukbang. Let's go call my brother.
take off.
Ready? Okay, it's Marlon's turn. Elstead.
Good job.
You eating pho?
Yeah. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
What am I doing? It's not my soda.
I got the noodles.
Look.
I got shrimp. Of course, of course. What's this called? What's this called?
I don't know.
What? Where?
This.
That's octopus.
Octopus.
You eat octopus?
What's this?
Hmm? That's beef.
Yeah, yeah, look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What is it?
Namanya soda. Oh, what? How's that? Ako kurang muat ka.
Oh.
Bakit sa move?
Park, move.
We say please, mouse.
Please, master.
You kick him off just yet? Okay. Mouse, is this one? This one? You're done, Janet? Okay, here. 90%.
Okay, it's Jenny's turn. Let's see if you like pho.
I think the other one.
Right?
Say your name. Say your name first. It's what? Wow, pwede. O, kukura na natin po yan na pagagit si Mark.
Where's that?
Oh.
Right here. What is this?
Come on, eat your noodles. Piece it.
Mom, what is this?
Octopus. You're eating octopus. See?
Here, watch it.
That's the chicken of the sea.
Everything. Everything. Fish cake ball.
Jenny's still going. Looks like she really loves her soup.
Jenny, come sit here. Come. Move. You. Oh, it's okay.
What's that? One rabbit. Face me,
No.
boy.
No.
Oh. You're eating?
Say what's up, guys?
You like this?
I'll never taste it.
Denise. Say what's up? I want cold water.
Turn your hair.
There's your hair.
Tomorrow. Queen, what's this?
Mark wins.
What? Oh,
What is that?
the cups.
What is that big noise?
The cups.
Okay, we have the Chuukese Mark wins.
Say hi. You're on
Okay, let's see if Elston knows how to do markings. You know how to do markings? Come on.
No.
What? Eat your soup. You don't want it? Eat, because there's still lots of food.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry if it was short. And thank you for all those subscribers and supporting us throughout our journey. And see you guys in the next video.
Elston, you have anything to say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Shout out to Miss Balding.
Jenny, you have anything to say?
Yes.
Subscribe?
Wait, I'm on the playground.
You want to go to the playground? Okay.
Shout out to Tristan, Kelvin, and
Shout out to Elijah.
Mars, you have anything to say?
and go check out my teacher's channel and Miss Balding. Please.
What about you?
Your teacher has
How's the soup?
really good.
Really good? Okay, good job. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. You guys are awesome. It's ridiculous. Peace.
Yeah.